Good morning, Outer Banks.
Oh my God, is that Mr. Beast?
We are going for a walk. So, what's your why? Why is it that you're going to do what you do when nobody else wants to help you? Because there will be times when whatever you're doing gets difficult, when it looks like you'll never succeed, and you're only a few days, a few weeks, a few months from actually succeeding. You have to find out what it is. You need to find something that you can look to on a daily basis that's going to keep you motivated when the times are tough. What's it going to be for you? You need to find that out, because if you don't, you will quit. If this isn't something you're doing full time, and it's only a side hustle, you will not hang in there when the going gets tough. It's too easy to go back to doing what you were doing before. Don't let that happen. You're worth it. You can do it. I believe in you. I don't know you. I still believe in you, because I know you can do it. There's plenty of resources. YouTube is a fabulous resource. Anything you want to find out, you can. Before I started this, I had to figure out how to connect my DJI mic to my Osmo Pocket 3. What source did I look for? YouTube. 3-minute video, figured it out. Here we are. Walking the beach, Outer Banks, North Carolina. Living the dream, right? I'm here with my family. I'm here with my extended family, 16 of us, and we're having a ball. Find out what you want to do that's going to keep you doing when the going gets tough. So, a balanced life. Work smart. Play hard. This is the reason. Got to get out. Got to have some fun. We're only here for a short time. If you're gonna work, work smart. Work hard when you work. And then have fun. Find something you enjoy doing and do it. Me, I'm just out having a little fun. Enjoying watching my son run through the waves for the first time in 2 years. My daughter looking for shells. It's a beautiful morning. We had a beautiful sunrise. It's a beautiful life.